my name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com. So today we are going to be making duck fat mayonnaise. So all you're going to need is some eggs and some duck fat. This is from Kroger. It's easy to find. If you don't see it at Kroger, you can look at Whole Foods, of course, maybe on Amazon. But I got mine at Kroger. It's the private selection, which is the Kroger brand. If you're not too strict, you can make it with lemon juice or vinegar. I have vinegar with me today. You can use apple cider vinegar. I know it's not technically carnivore, but I have tried and I cannot get mayonnaise to work any other way. And it's just, a little bit of vinegar. So don't worry, it won't kill you. First thing you want to do is separate your eggs. So you just want to put your yolks over in a separate bowl. You can see I have 2 eggs here. Here's my whites. You can save those for another project. My duck fat, you can see that it's all melted. This is because it's summertime. So if it was winter, you would have to melt this in some hot water or in the microwave. Now you just add about a teaspoon of vinegar. First you want to mix up your eggs just a little bit. Before you put it in the blender, just mix it up a little bit with the vinegar and the eggs. So first you want to put your egg yolks into the Vitamix. Turn your blender on medium and slowly add in your duck fat. Okay, add the lid, it's much better. Keep adding your duck fat very slowly and it will start to thicken up as you add it. If you look now, you can see it's starting to thicken up as you add it slowly. Look at that beautiful consistency. It's starting to thicken up and look exactly how we want it to. Just keep adding your duck fat until it's all gone. Look at that creamy, delicious, buttery mayonnaise. This is going to be so good on top of your meat. Okay, so I wanted to show you this amazing mayonnaise. Look at that. Look at that texture. This looks really, really good. So I wanted to show you. Look at this texture. As I mentioned, it's really easy to break mayonnaise, and don't freak out if you do this. Just save the broken aspect. So just if it's just the eggs and the oil and just save it, then start over, get your eggs again, the egg yolks, and you just start from scratch. Pour the same mixture back into the blender, this time maybe a little faster with your blender speed, but don't throw it away. Just start again. Use that same mixture to pour within the eggs. So you have your egg yolks, pour it in there again with the same mixture that's already broken, and it will start over as if it's brand new. So don't throw it out. You can just start with your yolks, put it in there real slow, and it will work. Maybe speed up your blender. Sometimes I break it because my blender is too slow and it doesn't get that emulsion going. Start again with your 2 egg yolks. Add your vinegar. Mix up your eggs and vinegar before putting in the blender just a little bit. Add your egg yolks and vinegar to the Vitamix. This is the most important part. Add your broken egg yolks and duck fat into the blender the same way you did before. Just slowly adding a little bit at a time, and it will be good as new, and it will make amazing, wonderful mayonnaise. You can get a second chance. Look at that amazing mayonnaise, good as new, like you never even broke it. Thank you so much for watching my mayonnaise video made with duck fat. I hope it's been helpful. Please subscribe, share with a friend, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. And also make sure to get my carnivore ebook. It's 182 pages, all about how to do the carnivore diet the right way. Please let me know if you have it already and if you enjoy it. Thanks so much.